I have INTEX Aqua Lions X1 and let me show you how to enable here Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to quickly enable Do Not Disturb, let's use upper bar twice and let's tap on Do Not Disturb. As you can see here, you can use total silence, so you can block all sounds and vibrations, including from alarms, music, videos and games. You can also choose priority only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibrations except your priority roles, or you can choose here the alarms only. What's also really important, you can choose until you turn it off, or you can, for example, set up some time range when Do Not Disturb will be activated. Let me tap done. As you can see, alarms only pops up. Here you've got also the icon. If you would like to configure the Do Not Disturb, let's just hold down on icon of the Do Not Disturb mode, and here you can choose priority only. You can here handle with reminders, events. You can accept some calls and messages from some favorite contacts, for example, and here you can also enable repeat callers. That's it. Let's go back. You can also here choose some automatic rules. So here you can, for example, switch on Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, or you can choose some other customized rules. Let's go back, and basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.